Hi Dylan, hope you're keeping good. Well, as you said, make a video. So instead of doing it through Loom, because I haven't used the Loom, I'm using a screen recorder, which I generally do. It's a plugin in Chrome extension basically, so it records the screen. So I'm using that to make a recording of it. And obviously, it was a great meeting last time, and I would love to meet again as and when you get time. If I think time difference is making a problem here, so I can make myself available in my night. I mean, from my late evening to my night, and that will be your maybe morning 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, whenever works, whatever time works for you. I'm okay with that. I mean, that much of flexibility you can expect from me. I think the problem is only because if we try to mix and match three, timings, Australia, India, and USA, then it becomes a problem. Because otherwise, if only we two have to meet, um, then it shouldn't be a problem. Think about it. Let me know. I'm anyways available any day you want, so that's not a problem for me. And I'll make myself available in my evening. Sorry, in my late evening or nights, I should say in that way. So that will be your daytime, more convenient for you. Okay, so anyways, coming back to this video, I was about to write this email to you, but then I thought maybe just record it. So I'll point all take you through all these points one by one. Fix 404. Last time when we started doing fixing 404, there were around more than hundreds of pages there, and some of them were malformed links where the links were right but they were actually not written correctly with https colon forward slash in that way. So some of them we found like that. Most of the broken links were the blog pages actually. And because previously there was some blog, for some reason the blog was removed, and for some reason some previous pages were removed. So those pages were not linked from the website anywhere, but because when you check them in a tool, it takes all the pages, because it's a WordPress site, so it takes all the pages from the server and consider it as as a broken link if a 404 is coming on that. So there were two options with us. One, I could have done a simple plugin for redirecting all the 404 to the website homepage, and all this issue must have resolved. But then we rather tried doing it manually first to see how much we could have removed it. So far, I think you can see 25 errors still coming in it. Around 1,236 pages have been scanned, and 93% almost ready. You can consider maybe 30 404 more remaining. Rest are all fixed. Now these 404 broken links, malformed links, they are all connected. These three things are mostly broken images also, because you can see these are images actually connected here. So we are still working on it. Very few left, which we'll try to resolve. Some of them will not be resolved. Like for example, LinkedIn. I mean, it's not here. Maybe it has gone to the next page. Sometimes it shows that a link to a LinkedIn is broken or 404, but it actually goes to the right LinkedIn profile. I mean, on the homepage of the Fortuna website, if you go, you'll figure out that. Just a second. So if I go to the homepage of the website, it'll take me through some of the LinkedIn profiles of team members. These these are actually going to the right links when we click from here, but when we check it on the tool, it shows 404, which is not, or maybe it's because of this percent 20, it's here. Maybe that's the reason. So, but it doesn't make any difference, the profile, and the percent 20 is basically a space. So that space can be removed, but I don't know if that makes a sense to go and change it, because those links cannot be changed. I mean, those links will remain because they are actually fine. So that answers the about fixing 404 broken and malfolding. All these three activities being done together. 90% are we fixed manually, and we found many. That's right, and still 2 or 3% left, or maybe you can say 10% left according to the tool. Maybe just 2%, 2.9% about this maximum we can consider 6 or 7% will be left. So we'll try to cover as much as possible. Thereafter, whatever not we are not able to find, we'll put a 404 redirect. So that will anyways make it 100%. Uh, that's one thing. Second, it covers these three because these three activities are being worked together like that. On-site optimize sitemap, set up Google Search Console, set up Bing Places. So Bing, we signed up. We did not have. We have only Google Search Console and Google Analytics. Google Analytics is there. It's tracking working. Search Console is also there. It's I updated it. I think I opened it also. If I have it, I can show you. No, I don't have it open right now. But Search Console, an updated sitemap has been. A sitemap has already been updated and it has been submitted to Search Console as well. It was updated on 7th of December. Thereafter, we set up a Google, sorry, the Bing Webmaster. If I, yeah, this one, Bing Webmaster. So this is also open sitemap has also been submitted to it on 22nd of December because we recently did it after working site performance. I think it has started showing clicks, etc. on Bing as well. So that's about the Microsoft Bing Webmaster tool. This also gets covered. Setup keyword map. I don't understand, or maybe I forgotten what you explained last time. So maybe you can explain to me again what is that setup keyword map. Fix broken images. This also a part of the 404 broken internal links, malformed links. So these images 404 broken, they are all together. So we are fixing each one by one, and 90%, as I said, has been fixed, and this work still in process. GMB, this will be done by Mona or Olivia, I don't know, whosoever has the access. They'll have to make sure that they don't end up making by removing something which is not allowed in, or maybe which is not a template of Google My Business or Google Business, whatever we call it now. So if they shows +61, if it cannot be removed, it cannot be removed. But that's up to them to try, or maybe if they share a link with you. I mean, if they make a user to you, you can try it yourself. On page optimization, it's a lengthy process. We are already doing it. I am not changing any title tags right now because they are very sensitive. All keywords are there. If I change anything, it might affect the rankings at the moment, traffic which is coming to the website. But there were missing meta descriptions and there were missing duplicate meta description. I have already fixed it for all the pages. Pages means the main pages of the website, which are these pages. If I go to the website, or if it is already open, yeah, these main pages, services, tax advisor, then these further services. So they must be about 20 such pages, or maybe 25 such pages. Rest are all blog resources, and resources I think working through and blog, also blog and resources, and even newsletter. These three things are working through the other platform, which I think you already have HubSpot access for it. So the main page is done. Other than that, the old blog pages, which were a very old, before we actually created a new blog section on HubSpot. So it's those very old pages. Those blog pages are still being done. It's a very lengthy process. We are going one by one into that, and so again, there are two options. I can either put a generator in it, or which automatically picks the title, headline, or some keywords into it, and keep generating. Second is manually. We are trying to do it manually, and we'll cover as much as possible. But this on-site is an ongoing thing. Main pages are covered. The previous blog pages we are still working upon, and then yeah, I think that covers almost everything. And for next month, this on-site optimization will continue in for the next month and next to next month as well. Because many a times we do one thing, it doesn't work out, then we again change it. But other than that, I mean, this thing will finish. 404 broken, malformed. Something if we cannot do, then obviously I'll let you know. So if you can try it at your end too. All right, I think that's all. Thank you, Dylan, and I look forward to speaking to you over the meeting through Zoom if you are willing to do that. Thank you.